So the next sum says if the ninth term of an AP, if the ninth term of an AP is 0, if the ninth term of an AP is 0, then show that ninth term of an AP is 0, then show that if ninth term of an AP is 0, then show that the 29th term, if the ninth term of an AP is 0, then show that the 29th term is twice the 19th term. If ninth term of an AP is 0, then show that the 29th term is twice the 19th term, which I have written in short over here. T9 equals to 0. Show that T29 equals to T19. Show that T29 equals to T19. You all have finished with this. Can I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now the information that is given to me, I don't know A, I don't know B, I don't know anything. Of course, I know the n's, but that's not going to help. So Tn, we know Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 B. This is the formula that we know. Clear enough? Absolutely no issues on this. Okay. Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 B. T9 equals to A plus 9 minus 1 into D. Now how much is T9? That is nothing but 0. So A plus 8D equals to 0. This is my first equation. A plus 8D equals to 0. This is my first equation. Okay. Then I have to see what is T19. What is T19? T19 will be A plus 19 minus 1 B, which is A plus 18D. A plus 18D, that is T19. And what is T29? A plus 29 minus 1 D, which is A plus 28 D. T29 is A plus 28 D. Now you have to show this is this is double of this is equal to this. So how are we going to go about that? Anyone? This I can write as T19. I can further write as 18D. I can write as 8D plus 10D. I'll just split up the 18D as 8D plus 10D. So T19 is A plus 18D, which is T19 is A plus 8D plus 10D. A plus 8D is 0. So this is 0 plus 10D. T19 equals to 10D. Call this equation number 4. T19 is equal to T19 is equal to 10D. Call that equation number 4. T19 is equal to 10D becomes your fourth equation. That becomes your fourth equation. Then we have T29 equals to A plus 28D. T29 equals to A plus 8D plus 20D. Because T29 is A plus 28D. Now 28D I'm splitting up as 8D plus 20D. And A plus 8D we have already found out is 0. A plus 8D is 0. So T29 equals to 0 plus 20D. T29 equals to 20D for this 5. T29 is 20D. T29 is 20D. T19 is 10D. T29 is 20D. So it is therefore T29 equals to 2 times T19 from 4 and 5. From 4 and 5. T29 equals to 2 times T19 from 4 and 5. Are we clear with this? Please copy this.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts, any queries in this, anything not understood, please ask. Otherwise, we'll move to the next questions. If you have any doubts in this, please ask. I'll give you a minute. Those of you who have joined late or whatever, have not copied it, please copy. A minute.
Sir, I can't see this below fifth equation. Sir, there is some light.
Just a second. Huh? Is it visible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, write it down.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, if you all have finished with this, then let's look at few more word problems. Okay,
Yes, sir.
let's look at other word problems. I believe all of you have finished with this. Write down. Ajay Sharma repays the borrowed amount. Ajay Sharma repays the borrowed amount. Ajay Sharma repays the borrowed amount of rupees. Ajay Sharma just a second. Ajay Sharma repays Ajay Sharma repays the borrowed amount of rupees 3,25,000. Ajay Sharma repays the borrowed amount of rupees 3,25,000. Ajay Sharma repays the borrowed amount of rupees 3,25,000 by paying rupees 30,500 in the first month. By paying rupees 30,500 in the first month. By paying rupees 30,500 in the first month, and then decreases the payment by rupees 1,500, and then decreases the payment by rupees 1,500. Ajay Sharma repays the borrowed amount of rupees 3,25,000. Ajay Sharma repays the borrowed amount of rupees 3,25,000 by paying rupees 30,500 in the first month, and then decreases the payment by rupees 1,500, and then decreases the payment by rupees 1,500 every month, and then decreases the payment by rupees 1,500 every month. How long will it take to clear his amount? How long will it take to clear his amount? How long will it take to clear his amount? Okay, so what it says is, I'll read it again. See, if you have to understand. See, the major thing is how you're going to understand this. If you understand it properly, these are the figures, we should be able to solve them properly. Ajay Sharma repays the borrowed amount of rupees 3,25,000. Now, what is 3,25,000? Is it A? Is it D? Is it AN? Is it SN? What is it? That we need to identify. Okay, by paying rupees 30,500 in the first month. First month में वो पे करता है पहला हफ्ता, first, then he pays in the second month, then the third month. So this clearly becomes A1 or A, isn't it? A equals to 30,500. So Ajay Sharma has to pay the total amount है ना? It is not the last installment. It is the total amount. जितना लिया था उतना पूरा उसको देना है. So पूरा, that means total, sum. When we say total, when we say sum, that means this will be SN. So SN is 3,25,000. A is 30,500. What is 1,500? What is 1,500?
D.
Sorry?
D.
D. Yes. But that would be wrong because there's one more word.
Minus 1,500.
Yes. Decreases. Decreases by 1,500. That means D is minus 1,500. अगर ये आपको मिल गया तो आपको ढूंढना क्या है? ढूंढना क्या है आप लोगों को? Yes. That means what? वो तो मैं भी पढ़ता हूँ बेटा.
SN.
SN ढूंढोगे तो फिर ये क्या है बेटा? ये अलग से SN है. Sorry.
N.
See, this is what is there. If you understand this much, इसमें कुछ नहीं है. ये problems में कुछ भी नहीं है. Calculations भी easy है. सिर्फ confusion ये होता है, सर मुझे लगा TN ढूंढना है, मुझे लगा N ढूंढना है, वो ही. So यहाँ पर आपको question दिया है ना, in how many months will he clear? What was the question? How long will he take to clear? कितना time, कितने installments, कितने हफ्ते? N is question. Formula तो एक ही है SN का. SN equals to N upon 2 into bracket 2A plus n minus 1 d.
D.
Sn is given 3,25,000. n मुझे पता नहीं है अपॉन 2. a मुझे पता है इंटू 30,500. n मुझे पता नहीं है -1 and this is minus 1,500. Bring this to this side so calculations become easier. So 3,25,000 multiplied by 2 becomes 6,50,000. N 2 into 30,500. How much is that? 61,000. 2 into this is 61,000. Plus n into minus. So this is minus 1,500 n. Minus into minus is plus 1,500. So 6,50,000 equals to n into bracket 61,000 minus 1,500 n plus 1,500 plus 1,500. Now this we're going to solve, we're going to simplify. This becomes a quadratic equation. That's another chapter that we are going to see. But anyways, right now let's solve on this. So this becomes 6,50,000 equals to, now 61 and this 62,500 and this is minus 1,500 n square plus 62,500 n. Now you will see each of this has two zeros, so I can reduce those 2 zeros, and it is also further divisible by 5. In fact, you will see each of them is divisible by 250. It says divisible by 250. So if I divide by 250, the 6,50,000, okay, if I divide by 250, what will I get? Or rather not 250, it is divisible by 500. Why am I saying 250? It is divisible by 500. So these two zeros will go first of all. Divide this by 5. 65 divided by 5 is 1,300 equals to 1,500 divided by 500 is minus 3 n square plus 625 divided by 5. So it is, now if I rearrange this, if I bring this all this side, I'll have 3n square minus 125 n plus 1,300 equal to 0. 3n square minus 125 n plus 1,300 equal to 0. Okay, this is a quadratic equation. We'll be solving one full chapter on this. Okay, we have to factorize and do all those things. Right now, copy till here so that I can erase the board and then start solving further. All of you, copy this fast.
Done, sir.
Let others also copy. We'll give them a minute.
Sir, done.
Okay. So 3n square minus 125 plus 1,300 equal to 0. If I have to split this up, this will get factorized further. So this I can write as 3n square minus 60n minus 65n plus 1,300 equal to 0. 3n square minus 60n minus 65n plus 1300 equal to 0. From this, 3n is common. So I remove 3n into bracket. I have n minus 20. From this, 3n is common. So 1n remains. And from this, n has gone out. Divide by 3, I'll get 20. From this, minus 65 is common. I remove minus 65. I get n. There is plus. But since outside the bracket, there is a minus sign. So the sign inside is also going to change. And this is again 20. This is equal to 0. 3n into bracket n minus 20 minus 65 into bracket n minus 20 equals to 0. N minus 20 is common, so I take it outside. Here I have 3n minus 65 equal to 0. Now, as I had explained, as you all know, if product of two numbers is 0, that is only possible if one of the two numbers is 0. One of these two numbers has to be 0. Otherwise, you cannot get it as 0. So we'll say n minus 20 equal to 0 or 3n minus 65 equal to 0. N minus 20 equal to 0 or 3n minus 65 equal to, shift this minus 20 this side, it will become plus 20. N equals to 20 or 3n equals to 65 or 3n equals to 65. N equals to 20 or n equals to 65 upon 3. N equals to 20 or n equals to 65 upon 3. Now, since n is how many months? That is the month. Months cannot be 65 upon 3 months. You can't have 22.14 month or 22.3 months. So that is not possible. Month will be either 20 months, 21 months, 22 months. You can't have it in fraction. So we'll say n, since n months, therefore n not equal to 65 upon 3, therefore n equals to 20. Therefore n equals to 20. Therefore n equals to 20. So you'll say he will, therefore to clear the amount 20 months are needed. Therefore to clear the amount 20 months are needed. Therefore, to clear the amount, 20 months are needed. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts in whatever we have done so far? Of course, we have to do a few more word problems. This is just the beginning. You know, so far we have done what, 2 sums?
Yes.
Yes. Last time we had done the mixer, this thing, and now we have done
Yes.
this thing. So word problems we have done only 2. Don't worry, we will do few more word problems. In the meanwhile, I want you all to practice problem set, not practice set, problem set. Practice set 3.4, there are only 6 sums which we can do next time, but problem set, at least first 10 sums you have to practice. Problem set 3, first 10 sums. Okay, you all are going to practice problem set 3, first 10 sums. They look lengthier, but most of them are easy. Some of them are just multiple choice questions. Okay. I know many of you do not have your textbooks, so I will be sending you the images. Don't worry about that. I'll send you the images. You have to do problem set 3 of that first 10 sums. Finished copying this?
Yes, sir.
Anybody has any
Yes, sir.
doubts of whatever we have done till so far?
No, sir.
No doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Let's look at one more example so that next time we have less. Anwar saves some amount every month. Write down fast. Anwar saves some amount every month. Anwar saves some amount every month. In the first 3 months, he saves, Anwar saves some amount every month. In the first 3 months, he saves, in the first 3 months, he saves rupees, in the first 3 months, he saves rupees 200, 250 and 300 respectively. Anwar saves some amount every month. In the first 3 months, he saves rupees 200, 250, 300 respectively. In which month will he save rupees 1000? 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 ओके चलो इसमें क्या क्या दिया है और क्या ढूंढना है सिर्फ उतना आइडेंटिफाई कर लो आप लोग. व्हाट इज गिवन एंड व्हाट इज टू बी फाउंड आउट.
A is given.
व्हाट इज ए.
200.
ओके व्हाट एल्स इज गिवन.
D 50.
D. This is 50. Okay. What else? A is 200. D is 50.
Yeah.
Everybody agrees? Anybody has any other opinion on this? If anybody has any other opinion, please let me know. A is 50. A is 200. D is 50. Any other this thing that is given? Yeah, 1000 is given. What is 1000?
Yes, sir.
क्या है वो?
1000.
N.
TN. TN.
N है कि TN के SN है?
TN and TN.
SN नहीं है ना?
No, sir. No, sir.
Sure. TN है.
Yes.
अच्छा, फिर ढूंढना क्या है?
N.
Simple. There. We have a simple formula. Tn equals to A plus N minus 1 B. 1000 equals to 200 plus N minus 1 into 50. 200 plus 50N minus 50. 1000 equals to 150 plus 50 n. Bring this 150 this side. 1000 minus 150 equals to 50 n. 1000 minus 150 is 850.
850.
50 n. 850 upon 50 equals to
70.
5 ones are 5, 17s are. Therefore, n equals to 17. Therefore, in the 17th month, Anwar will save rupees 1000. Therefore, in the 17th month, Anwar will save rupees 1000. 17th month, Anwar will save rupees 1000. Okay. And what is his total savings till the 17th month? You have to find S17. If you have to find the total savings till that month, then you will find S17. So S17 you will substitute, you have the values of all these things. Okay. So I'll
Yes,
send
sir.
you the images of problem set. First 10 sums, please try problem set ke first 10 sums. When we meet day
Okay, sir.
after, that time I think we will finish the word problems. Yeah, there are 2 word problems that are remaining. Okay, we'll
Yes, sir.
solve those, and whatever difficulties you have from the problem set, or we'll start with practice set, and then we will see what is to be done after that.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
In our school, we have started lesson 1 linear equations, algebra.
Okay. We'll see whatever is the maximum people that they're doing, that we will do.
Yes,
So
sir.
वैसे भी we still have this full week will go, because when we, today is what, Wednesday?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So when we meet on
Today is
Monday,
Wednesday.
so by Monday we should know what everybody is doing. You get
Yes, sir.
Friday, so we will be doing with this chapter only. We will be continuing with this. Whatever doubts, queries you
Yes.
have, we'll catch up with the school. Don't worry.
Yes,
Till
sir.
here, clear? Anybody has any doubts? Any
No, sir.
queries, any questions, any doubts, please ask. Do not hesitate. Okay, I'll send you the images and those sums you are supposed to do. I'll send it to you shortly. And I'm sending you all the video links also, right? All of you are
Yes,
getting the
sir.
links
Yes,
of the
sir.
videos. So if you miss out
Yes, sir.
something in between, you get logged out, you can go through the video, you can see it. Anything you have not understood, please ask. So go and see
Yes,
those
sir.
videos, like those videos. Okay, it's there on, I think,
Yes,
YouTube
sir.
and Facebook both. Okay, so please go through them. Okay, chalo then, all the best. I'll send you the
Thank you, sir.
image shortly. Please do those sums.
Yes.
Okay, chalo,
Yes, sir.
bye.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir.